Okay, kids, well, I've got the yeast bread out of the oven now, and it has doubled in size. I'm going to show you what that looks like. See how big it is? And now we're going to have the fun part. We're going to knead this again, and see how it goes in there like that? Boom, boom. Take out some frustration. Anyway, Grandma's going to turn this here. Well, let me see if I can turn this around. All right. I finally found Grandpa's little hiding place for the bread, or not bread, the camera holder. So, whew, kind of missed my little thing here. All right. First thing we're going to do is flour this up. It fits the whole thing now. It looks like, whoa, am I going to have enough room for all this? Anyway, it's going to be fun cooking with Grandma. Now, what I'm doing now is I'm rolling out the dough. I can get everything situated here. And just a little bit of time. And go back in. And in. And in. Okay, I want to show you what I have here. This is an oiled baking sheet. I have parchment paper in there so I can just raise the buns out when I get them out. And all I'm doing now is just kind of working the dough just a little bit before I pinch out my little buns. So I'll kind of grab one of these like this and roll it up. And you want to do it kind of soft like, and make it into a little round ball and stick it in the pan. Now you can do this a different way. You can have a cookie cutter and do it that way, or you can do it this way. Either way is fine. Whenever my kids were little, this is how I did it. I just made little balls. And then you just put them in there, and then you let these rise, and then you cook them. After you let these rise for a few minutes, then you let them, and when I say rise, it means they get fat, get real big. So that's what you want. You want them to get real big. And if I have any dough left over, I'll make some cinnamon rolls. So that'll be fun. Grandpa will enjoy that too. Homemade cinnamon rolls. Well, anyway, this is how you do it. Make those little balls. And you put them in the pan like this. And so what Grandma's going to do is I'm going to make a pan full of biscuits, and then I'm going to let them rise, and then I'll let you guys see the next step.